Hello to you all. As we come to the end of the school term and of an extraordinary year, I want to pay tribute to all of the people who have worked so hard this year to make continued teaching and learning possible for our students. No one could have predicted the year that has passed. The closure of school buildings in March, the need to adapt so quickly, and the extraordinary efforts school communities would make to support their students. In August, schools faced another huge challenge to reopen and to sustain the safe reopening for the entire school community. I am deeply conscious of the commitment and vast effort that school leaders invested to make this happen. I know that every single member of the school team, including all teachers, SNAs, secretaries, caretakers, cleaners and aides, have played a really important role in keeping our students and each other safe. On school boards of management, thousands of volunteers dealt with unprecedented challenges to support their schools. I want to say a sincere thank you to every single person involved. Your hard work and commitment made such a difference to our students and to our country this year. Our students, children and young people have been extraordinary in rising to the challenges posed by COVID-19 this year. Thank you for your courage, your resilience and your ongoing efforts to keep your friends, family and school safe. This has been a wonderful team effort, each of us supporting the other. I know your efforts will continue into the new year. In the meantime, I wish you every happiness and joy for the Christmas season. I do hope too that you enjoy a well-deserved break. Thank you all. Gur mahagwith agus nolikoni yiv galer.
Once again, with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like